Pro MX series interior is designed to be reconfigurable, featuring a height-adjustable shelf and modular accessories to maximize storage. The top shelf pulls out for convenience and has 3 height positions. To adjust the height, first remove the shelf by pressing firmly from the bottom up at each corner to loosen and free the shelf from its brackets. Using a Phillips screwdriver, you can remove the screws in all 4 brackets from the sidewall. Next, choose which position you'd like to install the shelf and remove the plastic anchor covers. You can replace these in the previous location. Reinstall all 4 brackets in the new height location and tighten the screws in place. Replace the shelf and press each corner firmly to clip the shelf back onto its brackets. The modular accessories for the Pro MX, including an 8-slot magazine rack and twin pistol rack, can be arranged in multiple positions around the safe. There are 3 positions on the safe bottom and 2 positions available on the shelf. To attach one of your accessory modules, simply remove the insert cover and press the module into place. Pro MX series can fit a maximum of 3 pistol racks across the bottom, and when combined with the top shelf, your safe can safely store 8 handguns.